welcome back everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about Office 365 subscriptions. So basically when we are saying we are going to use Office 365 services, we need to create one tenant where we would be able to run our services. We can use Office 365 services through tenant. So this tenant would be similar to Azure AD tenant. So whatever tenant you will create, this would be created on Azure AD. Correct. So you will get one tenant which would be isolated for your organization, for your account, and whatever user accounts, mailboxes, and configuration you will do, this would be only for your organization. Correct. So we have different plans here. That means the license you can say for Office 365 through which you would be able to create one tenant, and there would be different features, like there would be different collaboration tool which you will get. There would be different Office 365 features which you will get inside your tenant, and the number of users as well, and there would be pricing as well. But different pricing also would be there. Correct. So let me explain you few features of your tenant, then we will create one free account, and I will show you how to create free account on Office 365. So first of all, we have here home and personal. Subscription, where you would be, the pricing would be 530 rupees per month, and for personal pricing would be 420 rupees per month. So if you are going to purchase home edition for home license or subscription for your Office 365, so you would be able to apply this to 5 users. That means this would be available only for 5 users maximum, and personal would be available only for 1 user. Correct. Similarly, we have next plan, next license which we can use would be business. So business which you can use, which would be used for small or startup organizations. So if you are a startup where you need a mailing solution and you are planning to purchase Office 365 license, you can purchase business license, business subscription. So where you would be able to assign 300 users to your Office 365. We have standard as well, standard business plan, where the pricing would be 660 per user per month. So this would be the pricing for standard business, and there would be premium as well. We have premium plan as well. So where cost would be 1440 per user per month. So this would be the cost for your business standard, business premium. So this would be available for 125 rupees per user per month. Correct. Where you would be able to use your users. So this would be available for maximum 300 users. Correct. So the if you need an enterprise subscription where you have unlimited number, where you are going to apply, or you are going to create mailboxes or your user accounts which would be unlimited. So if you need that kind of solution, enterprise kind of solution, you can use enterprise license as well, like E3, E5, F3. So these are the licenses which we can use here. So E3 pricing would be 1440 per user per month, where you would be able to create unlimited number of users. So you will get storage space as well as per the feature which you will select. So for E5 pricing would be $35 per user per month. For F3 pricing would be 290 per user per month. We have Office 365 apps as well. So if you need only apps for your organization, you can select Office 365 app subscription. So where you have to pay 595 rupees per user per month. So you will not get mailing solution. That means you will not get email system in this subscription. You will get only apps in this subscription. Similarly, whenever you will create one tenant, so what would be the structure of your tenant account? Correct? That means the naming context of your tenant. So whatever name you will use, your name at the rate domain, that means your organization domain, which you will specify as per your organization. So domain, then on Microsoft.com, which would be suffix here for your Office 365 account. Now I'm going to show you how to create a free tier account so that you would be able to do your practice here, and you can test Office 365 services here. So let me go to my portal, my browser. So I need to go to my browser where I will search Office 365 E3 trial, just because E5 is not available into India region. So that's why I'm going to create E3 trial here where we will do our lab practice. Correct? So let me open E3 and let me go to this link where you would be able to see this would be the pricing which we have already discussed for Office 365. You can buy or you can create one free trial. So if you will create free trial, what features you will get? You will get Exchange Online, so where you will get 100 GB storage for your email, for your calendaring. You will get OneDrive for business. You will get information protection, SharePoint Online, bookings, Azure information protection, additional compliance capabilities also you will get with this Office 365 E5, and there are many more features which you will get. You can see these are the features which you will get here, like Outlook, Office 365 mobile applications, Office 365 apps. So you will get Office Delve as well, Microsoft Whiteboard as well. So there are many features, Microsoft Teams, Office Groups, Yammer, so Sway, which we have already discussed. So these are the features and collaboration tools which you will get along with this trial. So let me click on free trial first. So first of all, I need to specify my email ID here. So itingenious.cloud@gmail.com. This would be my email ID, which I'm going to use here. Now I need to set up my account. Let me click on setup account. First name would be IT Engineers. Then my last name, which would be Cloud here. Then my business phone number. Let me specify my phone number. Then my company name, which would be IT Engineers. Company size, which I'm going to specify here, like 10 to 24 people, just because this license, the free trial license which you will get, you would be able to apply this license or this subscription for 25 users. So basically you will get 25 licenses. Okay, so if you will scroll down, you will get this information at left hand side. You can see the trial highlights where you will get 25 licenses which would be available for 30 days. Correct? Now let me click on next, where I need to verify my mobile number. So let me click on send verification code. So I will get one code which I need to specify here. So that is the code which I have received. Let me click on verify. Once my number would be verified, so I will be redirected to next, where I can set up my domain. Correct? So I have to specify my domain name here. So to set up your domain, you'll need to specify your domain name. Correct? So let me specify this like IT Engineers. Let me check this, itengineers.onmicrosoft.com. Let me check the availability. So that is not available here. Okay, so IT Engineers Cloud, let me check this one. So itingeniourscloud.onmicrosoft.com is available. So I'm going to use this domain here. Correct. Let me click on next. I need to specify one account here. That means one admin account. So which would be like Sanjay. And password for this. Now click on sign up. So it will take few minutes to set up your account. Once your account will be set up, I will show you how you will sign in to your account. Correct. So let's wait for few minutes. Till then, let me open a notepad. Where I will save my information, like I need to save my user ID, which would be this. So this would be my user ID, and I need to save my domain name as well. So sorry, email ID my. So this would be my email ID, which is registered with this Office 365 account. Correct. Now let me click on get started. So whenever you will click on get started, so portal.office365.com, this would be the URL, where portal.office.com, this would be the URL for your Office 365 services. So let's wait for this. So you can set up your Office 365 account here. You can download Office, which you can install on your desktop. Correct. So which I'm not going to do here right now. I have already installed. So let me click on exit setup. I'm not going to do this right now. We will do this later. Here you would be able to see now you are redirected to home page of your Office 365. So you will get your user information from here, like your active users detail you will get here. So right now we have one user here, which is Sanjay, which is your admin right now. Correct. Similarly, you will get the contacts, guest user, deleted user information, your groups, which we will discuss later. Your billing information, where you will get your license. So you can click on licenses, where you will get the license which you have purchased. So we have one trial license here, which is E3, in which you are getting 25 licenses. So one license is already assigned to your organization, that means to your admin account. Now you have 24 licenses which is available here. Correct. Similarly, let me go to this Eclipse, where you will get admin center. Sorry. So we need to click on this Eclipse, where you will get admin center, and these are the apps which you will get along with your this subscription, like Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Yammer, OneDrive, Excel, Note, Teams, and many more. So we need to click on admins, where you will get admin center for managing this subscription. So here you would be able to see, we would be able to create users, we would be able to manage user account. So you would be able to redirect anytime so to your admin center, and where you would be able to set up your account. So in next lecture, I will show you how to create user accounts, how you will assign licenses to your users through portal and through PowerShell. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.